Hi guys, it's Braylon, and we're going to be doing a Dice Play-Doh challenge. And I have different kind of Play-Dohs. I also have this in case the dice goes up ahead. So, let's get started. Let's roll the dice. Ooh, I got 3. So that's yellow Play-Doh. Let's see what's in the yellow Play-Doh. What's mixed? Okay, what should we make today? What do I make? Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go to my Play-Doh thing. Okay. Got this thing to cook some food on the grill. And lots of things to put some things in there, like this. And look it can give you a more different look. So, if you guys don't know about Play-Doh, it's at Walmart, Toys R Us, and here's everybody's favorite place, Target. And you can also make it as a sandwich, which I am making out of French fries. So let's make some French fries. First, I need to get this mold out. There we go. And let's put our French fries in here. And just so you know, guys, I am Braylon, and welcome to Braylon's channel. See the French fries? Okay, now I'm going to cut the fries. So these are fries. And just so you know, these are 20 fries. So make sure to go McDonald's and Burger King and Wendy's to get fries. Those are the only places to get fries. If you're watching this video, that means you are a big fan. So, I hope you guys make a big deal out there, because this is a big video I'm doing. And I love you to make a Play-Doh shop that I made. This is from Season 8, the new season. And it's a cake. Okay, ready? I'm going to cut it. See? I sliced it. Just so you know, I am going to be cutting these fries. Okay, watch me cut it. See? You can cut fries easily. And put them on this plate right here. Send them to hungry customers from McDonald's or any place. And I have a fork. This is see the fries. Can you like that? Like this. Watch this person eat a shotgun. It's a Play-Doh shotgun I made. That's good. And this video is made by Braylon's channel. And this Play-Doh responsible by Kids Fun Challenge. So make sure to get to that video too, because this video is a big difference. And since I made fries out of that, put that away. We're gonna roll the dice and see what other Play-Doh we got. Okay, let's throw the dice again. 3 again. Let's spin it again. 3 again. 3 again. 6. Oh, that's everybody's favorite color. Blue. Oh, it's the same color. And I'll turn it into a big meatball. And this is a video that everybody knows. And you can, also you guys are a big fan. And you see, I'm wearing a Jordan shirt. If you want to do that, that's at Walmart at $20. So I'm gonna cut this like this. It's nice. You can make it out of that. And let's see, you can make frosting out of it. But you're also gonna make chicken. Okay, let's make some chicken. Okay, we got it. Got the chicken ready. Okay, let's make it. We have another one. Because that one fell apart. This one works better. Now, you're going to see some real shoes. Okay, we only got the chicken. Now I'm going to cut it out like so. So this is Brandy's channel, and I love you guys. And I'll be giving you a free Shopkin every day if you subscribe. So thanks for watching, and I'll make sure to give you a boy mag. Thumbs up for this video. Bye, Cookie fans!